because little lady one shopping. It says additional 70% off clearance, so that's a really good deal. Hi guys, so we went to the outlet mall. Outlet Collection Winnipeg actually emailed me and told me that they're giving away $20 gift card, limited time only. So yeah, you have to go there and pick it up yourself and show them like a little code that they emailed to you. So I went there and then we pick up a few things. Of course, it's like more than $20, but guess what? Where did I use my $20 gift card? I'll tell you guys all about it, or I'll show you guys what I did, picked out and used my $20. So before I'll share with you guys the haul from the outlet mall, I will unbox something that it came in the mail like weeks ago. It's been sitting here and I want to do it right now. I don't want to like postpone it again, but thank you again. This is the third time that they reach out to me if I want to review their products. I totally recommend them. It's this company called LEVOIT, and I've been meaning to like review this like weeks ago. Like I've said, it came in the mail. And also I've been wanting to buy a new humidifier because, you know, like our basement is done and this is like a must during winter time. That's why I haven't really had a chance to open this, because we really don't need it yet. But in the winter time, this is like a must over here. So this is the LEVOIT. Let's just can't fit in the frame. Okay, the LEVOIT Quiet Ultrasonic Diffusion. It has the automatic humidifying mode, warm and cool mist function, dual 360 degrees mist nozzles, 12-hour timer setting, automatic low water level, shut off protection, and did I say it has like a remote as well? And this is the LV600 HH, the hybrid ultrasonic humidifier, and it looks so nice and it looks so modern compared to the other humidifiers out there that you can buy. This is available at Amazon. I'll link this product down below in my description box for you guys, and also their website as well, the LEVOIT or LEVOIT. I'm gonna say LEVOIT. I think it's LEVOIT. Yeah, but let's open it up, you guys.
Yes! I'm so excited!
My son is here. Okay, so let's open. Okay, maybe you come here. Right here, so they could see you.
Alright.
Careful with my cord. Right here. Right here.
I want to see.
Alright. Okay. Oops. We're still using the air purifier, guys. It's upstairs though. But it's been in your room for a while, and then I place it in the living room. But this humidifier though, we need it down here, especially in the winter time, like I've said. So it's packaged really nice when you get them in the mail. And
Wow!
it has this package. Oops.
Can I read?
It has this LEVOIT, thank you for choosing. There you go. It says here, wipe off any excess water from the base before placing the water tank. It's just those do's and don'ts. Okay, I need to read this. Then I'll insert the clip using this, obviously. And it has the facts like frequently asked questions over here, you guys. And
Wow. Is it
Ooh.
okay there? Place the water. Wow! But I haven't had so many fire in my room in here.
Wow, it's like smaller than I thought. So it's smaller than I thought, but this one is, did I tell you how big it is? It's 6 liter or 1.6 gallon. This is large capacity. So it's large capacity and it looks so small. But I mean, wow, it's slick looking. And hold on. It's for digital and everything.
my own box. I get to get my own box. Hey,
It
Mama,
says there's a remote on it, but there's
where's
I
the
don't
control?
see any remote in here,
I got to keep this box.
unless it's in here somewhere. Oh, look at that! There's a remote. Look how small the remote is.
Yeah.
So what is the battery for this? Do I have to buy a battery for this? I really have to read. And it comes with the, I guess, for diffusing like your oil
Hey,
or
Mommy, look. It's the same one like ours. And this one, and this one.
yeah. Yeah, we have the air purifier as well. This one is really nice. I really enjoyed using this air purifier. But anyways, enough with that. This is the LEVOIT humidifier. It has this digital screen or thing here, and it looks so sleek. Oh my gosh, like really.
So how can you turn it on?
We will actually read the manual first, and I'll insert a clip somewhere after we use it. But I just want to share with you guys the unboxing, and then
Keep this own box.
yeah, you have to keep the own box. So like I've said earlier, that the outlet mall emailed me and told me that they're giving away like $20 gift card to their top subscribers, email subscribers. So yeah, we went there because well, we need to go there anyways for the kids, like back to school shopping. So I bought Lauren and Derek their indoor school shoes anyways. We just buy both of their shoes at Winners. And of course, Lauren shop at Forever 21. They're having like a 70% off sale off their clearance, so she's so happy with that. And also I got a couple things as well at Forever 21. And what I use for that $20 gift card is I went to Adidas. So this one is the Adelaide shower. I've seen this in the States. They're like $24, I think. I bought 2 men's size for my brothers like last Christmas, and I wanted one, but they don't have my size. But I saw this one. They have they just opened actually in the outlet Adidas there, so I'm like happy with that. So $30, but then they're having a promo of 40% off the entire store. So this one is like $17 plus tax, so it came up to like $20.16. So I have to pay 16 cents to get these. So this is where I spend my $20 gift card. Not too bad, not too bad, right? It's still cheap. They have like a pink one at Winners. I saw it's priced $19.99, but this one is cheaper for that. So I just got the black, same ones as the ones that I bought for my brothers. I think it's kind of like, it's the women's shape, I guess. It looks like it's narrower, or slimmer over at the top. I don't know, maybe. So, or this is like a unisex kind of. But yeah, they have my size, so it has the Adidas on the side. It's so cute. Actually, I won't be using this right now. I will be saving this because we will be going to the Philippines next year, so we'll be using this over there as my slipper. So pretty good deal with that. So we'll be using that, we'll be keeping that. Now I went to Winners, like I've said. I'm not gonna be showing you guys what I got for my kids, but I got these because I'm like into like making my own bread and stuff. So this one is so cute. I saw this one. It's like the ceramic table, what is this, measuring spoons, sorry. So it says 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon. So yeah, set of 4 measuring spoons, but they're like yeah, they're like really nice. It's so anthropologist-ish. So this one is $5.99, so it's pretty affordable, like I've said. Okay, so the next few items are from Forever 21. Did I say a couple? Actually, I have 4 here. So these are all 70% off on top of the clearance price. So I got these bodysuit. It's just striped bodysuit. I don't know, going out of my comfort zone. I don't really like wearing bodysuit because it's just whatever, but I mean, when you go pee, it's so hard. But anyways, it's okay. This one I got in the size large because it looks small, so we'll see about that. But it's $12, 70% off, so that's like really good deal. So yeah, and here's a really good deal, is $1. It was priced $1, 70% off, so this is 30 cents. It's a bodysuit, but one shoulder kind of bodysuit. I don't know where I'm gonna wear these, but summer's not over yet, so hopefully I can wear it like soon. So it's like a bodysuit like that, and like the color, it's like pink, pale pink kind of. So like that. Maybe I'll use it when I'm like doing a sit-down video. I don't know. Looks cute. Okay. So yeah, 30 cents for that. That's a pretty good deal. This one is $9. It's just like a shirt, but it's really thick material, you know. It says oui oui. So yes, yes in French. It's just white. And then the last one is this button up with a tie at the front. So Aritzia, let me say. But this one is $12 as well. And my daughter picked up like maybe 6 pieces or so, and everything we paid, it's like not even $20, you guys. So that's a very good deal. So that's everything of what I got myself at the outlet mall. And yeah, I got my son Fila shoes, and also Lauren got a Fila shoes. And yeah, I went shopping for clothes, and Lauren too, and Derek was, you got a toy, right? Oh yeah, where's your, oh, this one, of course, forklift. I was like asking him if I could borrow this for work.
No!
So yeah, we'll try this, we will go try this humidifier. And don't forget, guys, to check out the links in my description box. I have a code. I'll insert it here somewhere, or just check out the link in my description box, you guys. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. It's halfway full, so it's halfway full.
getting cooler already. What? I can't even see a thing.
It's like smoking now.
It's like there's a fire. I can't even see a thing. I can't even see it.
Can you guys hear that? It is so quiet. The Honeywell,
You should see the humidifier.
the Honeywell we have, it makes noise. This one is really quiet.
Nice.
Wow. And then if you press one of these, look how even the sound is like really
Quiet.
okay. It has mist level.
How long smoke comes out? How many smoke comes out?
Okay. It's not good right now because it's like
Quiet.
but this is good in the winter time, not right now. But yeah. Okay, we're just gonna do this. I really don't know. I have to like really so
Smoke coming out.
cool. Very cool.
I can't see a thing.
This is cool. And then okay, we can turn it off. So anyways, guys, there is a slot over here on the side where you could put your essential oil and things like that. Right there. It has this this thing over here. You could put your oil, so it will diffuse it, and yeah, it's cool. Right there on the side, like that. So it's really cool.
Look. More smoke
And it
coming
starts
out.
right away. Isn't that cool, you guys?
I know. Ow, the smoke can come out faster.
It comes with like the pads for your diffuser. This one, not sure where this goes. Probably somewhere. But we're gonna try these. Remote. Okay, so I did take out in the package. It's really small and sleek. But let's see here.
So
Ooh, it
the
works.
incentives of getting the per YouTube.
Oh my gosh, thanks LEVOIT for this. Oh my gosh. Yeah. This is perfect in the winter time, you guys. Like, look at it. Like, this is so cool. And yeah, it has this mist level, humidity, warm. There's a timer as well. And my husband is will like this because you can turn on and off the display because it doesn't like any lights coming out from the, you know, like
Smoke again.
anywhere. Actually,
I'm gonna stay warm. I'm gonna stay hot.
it's not even hot. This is cool mist, I think.
Oh.
It's
Oh yeah, I can put
so,
my
do you like it?
yeah. So
Okay.
okay, when I put my toy inside, it melts.
Yeah, I really like it a lot.
And
So yeah, guys, check out LEVOIT. I'll link everything in my description box, you guys. And yeah, this is the company, and this is the product. It's called Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier. And oh, it even comes with the brush, like the cleaning brush. And yeah, and even have like a extra year warranty. And Yeah, this is so cool.
I know.
Thanks, LEVOIT, for yeah, giving us this. And it's really nice, very sleek,
Yeah.
and
So
for sure this is
smooth.
great in here in our newly added room in our basement. So we will use this in the winter time. It's so perfect. I've been meaning to get a humidifier for me and my husband, so this is great and love it. So yeah, look how it looks
Smooth.
small, but actually it's very large capacity. Yeah, for a large room. So this is perfect in here because our room here in the basement is really big. And yeah, this is great actually. So
Wow.
love it.